In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the file manager on WP Engine in the year 25. Whether you're managing a personal blog or maintaining a business site, being able to navigate your file system is essential for keeping things running smoothly. So, let's dive in and get you fully equipped with all the knowledge you need to access your files confidently. First, you'll want to start by logging into your WP Engine account. This is your main control panel where you can manage all aspects of your website. Once you're logged in, take a look for the section that lists your sites. After logging in, it's time to open your site. You should see a list of all the websites you have. Click on the site you'd like to manage. This will open a page specifically for that website, where you'll find further options for configuration. Once you're in your site page, you'll need to select the environment you wish to work in. WP Engine provides different environments: production, staging, and development. Simply click on your site name and select the environment that best fits your needs. This setup is especially useful for those who might want to test changes without altering the live site. Your next stop is the SFTP users area. On the site management page, navigate to the SFTP users option. It's typically located within a menu on the left side of the page. Click on it to proceed to the settings area for users. If no SFTP user exists, you will need to create one. Here, you can set up a user, which will allow you to connect to your site's file system using an SFTP client. This makes it possible to upload, edit, and manage files on your server effortlessly. With the SFTP user in place, the next step is to connect via a file manager or FTP application. At this point, it's helpful to have an SFTP client, such as FileZilla or CyberDuck, installed on your computer. These applications are easy to download and install if you haven't already done so. After selecting your preferred FTP application, you're ready to input your connection details. This includes your SFTP host, your username, and your password, details you can find from within WP Engine. Make sure you have these details readily available. They are crucial for establishing a secure connection. One more detail, don't forget to specify the port. WP Engine uses port 22222 for SFTP connections. Ensure this is correctly entered in your FTP app to avoid any connectivity issues. Once everything is set up, go ahead and connect. With a successful connection, you'll gain access to your site's file structure. Navigate to the WP content directory. Inside, you'll find folders for themes, plugins, and uploads, everything you need to customize and manage your WordPress site effectively. That's it for today. You've now unlocked the ability to access and manipulate your site's files directly through the WP Engine interface. Feel free to explore and make the necessary adjustments to enhance your website. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy site management!